Okay guys, this is the beginning of our video. We have Juliana right here, we have Daphne over there, and we have Damien on the other end over here. We are going to be dissecting a pig uterus, and we'll get with the procedures shortly. There are materials listed up here, such as the uterus and other different materials. We also have another question in which we have to answer, which is there a difference in the number of fetuses between the right and left uterine horns? And we'll find that out soon.
We could start with the measurements.
To begin our procedure, we will measure the pig uterus. And shown here, they are measuring the left horn of the uterus. They are measuring the diameter. And then after, you will have to measure the width and the length of the uterus. As Damien is demonstrating here, he's making a transverse cut into the part of the left side of the uterus horn. As Damien here is using his mild scissors, I also want to get another point across. During these types of procedures, you must always wear gloves to prevent any contamination with your bare hand. And if you do manage to rip your glove or have a skin cut in your hand, you must remind the teacher before washing your hands. And as shown here, you can see the first fetus is pulled out of the uterus horn very carefully. It is also attached to its umbilical cord, in which he will have to snap off. Here Damien is finishing doing a incision on the left uterus. He has cut through the myometrium, and there is another fetus inside there, in which he gently and very carefully opens the sac that contains the baby within it. Alright, next baby number 3. Cut the umbilical. Oh. This here is an example of a human error in which one of our cutters had accidentally ripped the umbilical cord off of the fetus. The correct way to do it is to cut the umbilical cord using the scissors there. Throughout the recording of this dissection, you might notice that there is a lot of fluid that is surrounding the uterus. This is called amniotic fluid, and its purpose is to act as a sort of shock absorber to protect the fetuses from any external injuries, as well as acting as a development fluid in which helps the fetus develop its lungs, its heart, and the majority of its body. While the purpose of amniotic fluid is to protect and support fetal development, it is similar across both pigs and humans. There are significant differences that exist between humans and pigs. For one, the uterus of a human is a simplex, which means it's a single pear-shaped structure which has no uterus horns and was designed to only hold 1 to 2 offspring. Meanwhile, a pig uterus is biconnuate, which is characterized by a small uterine body which has long tubes, which are known as uterine horns, and these are the reason why so many fetuses are able to be developed here. So this is the amount of fetuses that we got on the right uterine horn, which is 11, and on the left side is 9, which means that the right side has slightly more fetuses than the left side of the uterine. So in conclusion, the dissection process was a success. This is the data that we had gotten from dissection. There were a few human errors made earlier, and we have gone over them, but hopefully we will try to appropriate that for the next time we do something like this. Goodbye.